Model, 2020 Citroën Berlingo M Diesel 1.5 BlueHDi 1000Kg Enterprise 100 PS Ultra Low Miles Spares OR Repairs. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 21,191. MOT, 1 June 2024. Engine, 1499 cc DV5RD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine is seized, will need repairing or replacing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, sat-nav, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat S in 2020. Cap retail, £13,950. Click the link in the description for